Hi grade fours. Today I'm going through how to use this WeVideo software. So this video is kind of intended as either like a supplementary, an extra video to help with any questions of this software, or it's also to help with students who maybe missed the hangout that I offered where I went through this software on that Thursday, May 28th. So number one, we're making these videos for our Social Famous Albertan project. You do not need to make a video. Remember, you guys have, of course, the option of just making a PowerPoint, but there are some students that have expressed an interest in making a video, or I know I have some students in my class that have talked about how they have YouTube channels and they want to make their own videos. So this would be a really good tool that you guys could use to edit your own personal videos as well. But obviously, the importance of this is for our social project right now. So first of all, this is the website WeVideo. So it's an online video editing tool that Edmonton Public Schools has said it's okay to use, it's safe. And the best part about WeVideo is you don't need to make an account. You can just sign in directly with your Google Edmonton Public Schools account. Okay, so really quickly here, I'm just going to click new to WeVideo, and I'm not actually new to WeVideo. I've actually signed into this before, so it's going to look a little bit different than you when you first visit this site. But I'm going to click sign up with your Google account. So I'm going to click that button, and then it's going to say, hey, are you really me? Of course, I've already been validated. And I go directly into my dashboard here, but you guys might be on just the main page when you sign in. So I'm just going to show you how to get to where I am from that part. So this is the main page after you've signed in. It's going to take you through a bunch of information. There might be some helpful videos for you guys to watch, but I'm just going to take you through the steps anyway. So I want to go to my dashboard here. So I'm going to click dashboard. And then it's going to take me back to that screen I was just at. So there's going to be a couple options here of what you can make, but for the purposes of today, we're going to be making a video. So I'm going to click create a new video, and it's going to take me to that video side. So here you already see that I have some pictures in my media section. So this is because I was playing around with this yesterday a little bit. But the number one thing you want to do is you're going to jump into here and you're not going to have these photos to work with. So you need to find those photos kind of beforehand and have them in a place that they're really easy to access. So you can either just drag and drop them into here or how you can import them. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to import media. So I'm going to click import media. And here's when I could drag and drop. So this is if I had something on my desktop on the screen of my computer. If I have that picture saved there, I could just pull it over here. If you Google an image, so if I Google an image of Pikachu right now and try to pull that one over here, it's not going to work. Unfortunately, you have to save the photos beforehand. Okay, I did make another video on how to save a photo, so check that one out if you guys have any questions about that. So browse to select, and I have made a folder in my Google Drive already, and I called it pictures for video. So because it's in my Google Drive, I need to make sure I'm importing from my Google Drive here. Okay, so again, it's probably just going to make sure that I'm still me. I haven't changed my account or anything. So I'm going to go into here and I am going to allow WeVideo to access my Google Drive. So I have made a pictures for video folder. Just need to find it. I might have put it in a weird place. Oh, it's right here. First one there. So pictures for video. So I'm going to open that one up. And then you'll see all the cute baby animals that I took pictures of from Google. So I can select them one by one and then just hit select, Or to save myself some time, I can hold down my shift key. So I've already clicked on one, and then I'm going to hold the Shift key, which is on kind of the bottom left or the bottom right of your keyboard. So I'm going to hit Shift, and then I'm going to click till the very end. And if you notice, now all of my pictures have been highlighted. Okay, so that's kind of a little hack, as Hugo likes to say, about how you can get all those pictures in faster. Okay, so then I'm going to hit Select, and then it's going to do my hard work for me. It's going to take all those pictures and it's going to put them in a place that I can use them. Okay, so now I have my pictures, so I can start kind of adding them into my video. And after today's session, I'm going to mostly suggest that you guys are just kind of playing around with this. So I'm going to put my picture of my little piggy. I'm going to put my picture of my elephant. And right now I'm just dragging and dropping them. Notice I could put them right next to each other. I'm just spacing them out right now, just because I want to have them all there first. Okay, so now think about videos. When you watch a video, especially like a slideshow, kind of like what this will be, because I'm not actually videotaping anything. So right now, it's saying that this image is showing for 2 seconds. So that means if I play it, it will show that picture of that piggy for, I guess it's 4 seconds. Okay, so I can choose whether I want that to be longer or whether I want it to be shorter. It's completely up to you and how many photos you find. Again, you can put your pictures or your photos right next to each other, so then they will be one after another after another. So I'm just gonna do that quickly, put them right after each other. Oh, sorry, clicking the wrong buttons. So just put it there and just put it there. Okay, so now I have all of my videos, and if I wanted to test my video at any time, I can hit, I'm gonna skip to the beginning, and then I'm gonna watch my little video of my baby animals. Okay, so see, now it's the elephant, and then it's going to cross over to my hippo with his little tongue out. He's so cute. Okay, so pretty easy there. So now I have all my pictures. So what else do I need for my video? So I have a couple options. Number one is I can put some audio. So I can put some music in. There's also the option in this software to actually narrate or record your voice. Okay, so if I clicked this button, and then gave WeVideo to permission to use my microphone, then I can record my voice. So I could record whatever I'm saying, and it would put it as an audio recording into my video. So really quickly, even though my microphone is currently being used, I'm going to test it out. So it's going to give me a countdown. So don't start talking until it's finished. This is a cute baby fox. Isn't he adorable? Look at the little panda with his tongue sticking out. He's so cute. And this is a baby sloth. So really quickly, I recorded my voice. I can even preview it. This is a cute baby fox. Okay, I'm not going to listen to the whole thing. I just heard it. If I don't like what I heard, though, I could record again. Otherwise, I'm going to save it, and it will save my recording for me in this technology. And then it will, in a second, you'll see it. So it happens at the voiceover at the bottom. So once I play my video, this is a cute baby fox, you'll hear my narration that I did there. So that's a really cool feature, especially for telling your stories about your famous Albertans. But there's other audio recordings or other audio you can put in as well. So here, this is the audio section, and I just got it. I was previously on this tab, but now I'm on the music one that says audio at the top. So I'm going to click that. And here, these are all free music. So if I go into premium music, I assume you'd probably have to pay for those versions. So I'm going to just look at the free version. And I'm going to pick a song that I like. Okay, that's a good one. So I like that one. So I'm going to drag it. And I notice it turns red if I try to put it in the video. That's because it's not a video file, it's audio. So I need to actually put it in my audio file. Okay, so I've put it there, and I can actually change how loud it is too, which is kind of nice. So if I just want it kind of in the background, I can kind of have it so it's really quiet as the songs are playing, right? I could cut it if I wanted to make this, get rid of a part of the song. And I can also change the volume for maybe one part of the song, maybe make it higher or lower. So this is all stuff that you guys can play around with as you guys get more and more comfortable with this software. But for now, I'm just content with my music as it is. So there's two other things I want to quickly go over before I run out of my free screencast time. Number one is adding text. Okay, so text is this little thing with this A up here. And here again, there's going to be lots of different options of how you want the text to look. So if you want it to come in like that, if you want it to kind of come up, some of these are for more of texts. It's again completely up to you what you want it to look like. Okay, so this one, maybe I like this one. So I'm going to put this one in my video, and I want it right at the beginning. And I can actually choose whether I want it, if I want it over my images, or if maybe I'm gonna move my images back, and I want to start my video with a title screen. Okay, so I'm gonna move my piggy back to the end of my video, and I am going to edit my text here. So to edit it, I can just double click on it, and this is where I type my stuff. So I'm going to type Miss King's cute animal video. Okay, and if I'm not crazy about this color palette, the colors, I can actually change it to be whatever color I want, which is kind of neat. So again, just play around with it, see what you like. Okay, so that's going to be my start of my video. I'm going to have that cute little title come in. Okay, so Miss King's cute animal video. Again, if I want my title to be longer, I can make it longer if I want, just by dragging this and making it bigger. I'm okay with the title being kind of short right now, so I'm just going to leave it. The last thing that I want to quickly go over is how to add transitions. So transitions is when these pictures are changing from my elephant to my hippo, I have some choice in how that transition happens. So again, this is up here. This time it says transitions. It's the one to the right of the audio. It's half white and half kind of non-colored or black. So again, if I kind of go through them, they'll kind of give me options of what they kind of look like. And again, just play it out, play around with it, see what you like. So maybe I like this cross dissolve where it kind of fades out into pixels. So I'm just going to click that and I'm going to drag it. And this time I'm just putting it in between the places I would like it. So I just put a cross dissolve there. Maybe I'll put a cross zoom here. Okay, so again, I'm just putting it in between the videos. So watch what happens. And again, I'm just going to show the video for us. So watch what happens now. So it's going to bring up the title, and then it dissolves into my elephant. Okay, and then there's going to be a transition, okay, into my next picture. So again, it's completely preference. If you just want to have the photos one after another, that's fine. But if you like these transitions, this one's kind of cool. It kind of changes it quite dramatically. So let's just put that one in so I can show you that one. Okay, so it changes the photos all kind of interestingly. So again, that's just all preference, what you guys are comfortable with. So please play around with this software, see how you like it. Finally, when we're finished, you can just click finish when my video is done. You're going to make a title for it, so cute animals. And then this software is really nice because I can actually save it directly to my Google Drive. So here, this is my Google Drive option.